welcome back to my channel. If y'all new, like, comment, subscribe. Today, like, I'm gonna get a little bit of content for y'all, out and about, being productive today, trying to at least, but we're gonna see where the day takes us. All right, I'll be back, because right now I'm on my way in the gym, so y'all gonna come with me in here real quick and get this workout going, because it's 2021. Body gotta be snatched. Like, summer's right around the corner. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm at the gym now. I'm actually on the treadmill. Girl, this is the journey. And I tell y'all, I'm not in fucking shape. And I'll be the first person to tell y'all. But we're gonna get back right. We're gonna get back right. We're gonna get it. Ain't nobody in the gym, so that's a plus. So I want people looking at me. But it's alright. I'll check with y'all when I leave here. Because I wanna, be into it. Alright, see y'all there. I'm back. Just a little update. I just ran on that treadmill and my sister's out of breath. I'm out of breath. Like, I'm gonna blame the out of shapeness on my kids, but I'm out of breath. And now I'm about to get this little lifting going, but just a little update me at the gym. Girl, I'm working towards my goals. All 2021, baby. Air Force, here I come. If y'all and sisters in the military, I'm gonna say sisters because people might take that offensive, but just overall females in the military, and y'all got workouts that help y'all, with thick thighs, let me know. Comment down below, let me know. I'll link down my Instagram, email, all of that. Let me know. But until then, I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown of my last little couple workouts at the gym. All right. Y'all, I got a great workout in. I'm trying to find my keys to my car. Hold on, y'all. There we go. But I got a great workout in. It was definitely took a little intense. My heart is racing, which is good. No sweat, no gains. But let me move these fucking box splits out the way. But I'm happy. I'll make this pretty much everyday thing at that. Can't even. Here we go with these fucking stingy ass box splits. Anyway, I'm off to clean my car because my car is a fucking mess. My fucking kids done did a whole fucking number up in this fucking car. Anyway, I'm off topic. But yeah, I had a good workout in. Pretty much make this a little everyday little thing or whatever. And we're gonna see from now until the end of the year of 2021, we're gonna see what my body looks like by putting this work in. We're gonna see. Cause the sister is tired, like tired of living that unhealthy shit. Cause that's what it was, unhealthy everything. And look, if nobody's supporting y'all, best believe, support yourself. Support yourself, cause trust me, these niggas out here supporting other bitches. These niggas out here encouraging other females, but can't encourage the woman that they got. But that's another story time. Stay tuned for that later on, because the tea is coming. Stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, let me go clean this car out, because this is embarrassing. Wait till I show y'all what my kids did. I'll catch y'all back in a little bit once I get to the car wash. Hey y'all, I'm back home. Overall, this morning just been a whole scram. Got my workout in, cleaned my car, and now I'm home relaxing. And I don't know, but like today I just feel the urge to do stuff. Like, I honestly don't want to go out and spend no money, but I did want to go out and find some new little workout shoes. Something that's cute, because I got these little Walmart shoes. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to sit here and judge nobody wearing Walmart shoes, because at the end of the day, it gets the job done. They're comfortable, but I just want something that's everyday, cute. Just everyday, cute. Like, you wearing something cute, you gonna feel good about yourself. That's just what it is. But until then, them things gonna get the job done. But as of now, I'm sitting here in bed watching Netflix. If y'all haven't checked out that show, Dear Me, y'all need to get on it. Like, this shit is good. This shit is good. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this show, and I'll check back in with later on. Coming here, actually I forgot to end the vlog, but I really didn't do much. I just went to sleep, honestly, but I'm gonna get better at ending the vlogs right, because God knows sometimes I forget. But I'm at work now. In this vlog with a little positivity note: stay focused, determined, all 2021. Don't let nobody tell you can't do nothing that you can't put your mind to. Just a little note. Have some story times soon, so stay tuned for that. But peace out, y'all. Catch y'all in the next vlog.
It's feeling like you need to be my lady.